a song that burned itself into my brain, and I just fell in love with this song because I felt so identified with it. A song called Auf dem Weg steht der Boim. It spoke of a boy who says to his mother, there's this tree on the road, and alle Vögel von dem Baum sind zerflogen, all the birds have flown away from the tree. Drei kann Mizrach, drei kann Marev. And the Baum gelost allein, Hefke von Sturm. The tree is standing alone, and there's a storm coming. So I said to Mama, I said to my mother, look, Mama, einstens zwei bald a Vogel werden. In a moment, I want to become a bird, and I want to go fly to that tree and sit on its branches and sing to it to keep it company during the winter. And she says,
Itzikroin, nem Gottes will, nem choć mit a Schalkel zosch mishvarkilen, die Kaloschen nem der Metz geht a scharfer Winter, in die Kischmet hiderun, weis mir in Windmer. In dus Winterlabel nehmt, jesu die Scheute, ob de wissen Janking Gas zwischen alle Teute.
And then he says, Geb de Fliegels is mir schwer. Zu viel Sachen hat die Mama umgetun, den Vögel, den Schwachen. I can't fly. My mother put on too many clothes.
Geht ich treurig mir rein in der Mammes Augen. Es hat ihr Liebschaft nicht gelost, wären mich a Vögel.
I so identified with it. I got away, but it was tough. It was really tough. I remember my mother crying at the train station when I left. And I was like my grandfather. I was the adventurer, taking off for another world, for all they knew. And to be an actor, no way that was going to work.